Everyone, today I'm going to share how to be more calmer person, and why I'm sharing is that if you will be more calmer person, you will have great relationship and it will affect your business as well. You will have great business relationship with your clients as well, and also it will affect your business as well. Your clients will be more happy and you will focus more time on your business and on mastering your craft rather than overthinking or worrying or stress, right? So first thing I would like to tell you is that do meditation. All right, so whatever if kind of meditation you want to do, whether you listen to some mantras or you simply sit and chant om, or you don't chant om, that is entirely up to you. So you can just simply sit and meditate and observe your breath. All right, because a lot of people ask me how to meditate as well. That's entirely up to you how you want to meditate, and I think timing also like you can choose according to your choice, because I know like people are working 24 hours these days. So you can meditate in morning, in evening, in night, in afternoon also if you get time. There is no perfect time to do meditation or to connect with God, right? So you can do meditation anytime whenever you feel you have time, right? 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Second thing is that choose your favorite workout. All right, whatever kind of workout makes you truly happy, go ahead and do that thing, whether it's going to gym, whether you love dancing like I do dance workout, or whether you do yoga. Do your favorite, or you love pilates or swimming, do your favorite workout, whatever kind of workout you truly enjoy and that makes you truly happy. So that will make you happy as well, and that will make you more calmer person as well. Third thing is that be mindful of what you watch. All right, so content also have vibration, so watch people who are more calmer and peaceful than you. All right, don't watch people who are more violent or more angry than you, because we become like people we surround ourselves with, right? So we learn good habits as well and we learn bad habits as well. That's why it's important that we should be mindful of the people around us, right? So you can watch people who are more calmer and who are more peaceful than you. That's why I love listening to podcast in before sleeping, because I think podcasts have very peaceful vibe. So you can choose the content, which is more peaceful and more calming rather than violent, or which has any kind of fight or more violence in it, right? Because whatever we watch, it affects our subconscious mind. And fourth thing is that eat more calming food, right? So eat food which is good for your mind and for your body, and it will make you more happy and you will stay more calm. Like eat more vegetarian food. Right, I'm a vegetarian, but I don't say anyone that you have to be vegetarian, but it's a scientific fact that if you eat more vegetarian food, you stay more calm and peaceful, rather than like if you eat non-veg. Research has been done that you get more angry, right? So if you love eating non-veg, then reduce 10% this week, right? So maybe one day you can skip one non-veg meal and replace with the vegetarian meal, right? I don't tell you to make big changes, but we all can make one small change, like have one apple in the morning, or after your breakfast, in mid meal, or in evening snack as well, right? So small changes can make a much difference in your life, right? And fifth thing is that like if you will be more calmer person, your wife will be happy, or your girlfriend will be more happy, or your boyfriend or your husband will be more happy, because like whatever we give, it come back, right? So if you will give lot of anger and lot of stress, it is going to come back to you. But if you will spread lot of love and lot of joy, lot of happiness, that is also going to come back to you. All right, so that's what I want to say. Feel good within and spread love and happiness in the world. And if you have any questions, you guys can DM me as well. Also, if you want to book a coaching session as well, you guys can DM me as well. All right, and write clearly what kind of coaching session you're looking for spiritual coaching or for body confidence coaching, self love coaching, or for money mindset or sales or relationship coaching. All right, have a wonderful and a blessed day, because I don't DM reply to hi hello messages. Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.